Me ball till God come.
This is October 21st, 2016. Hide this.
I even jar out her before.
So him in the traffic and them a try to go over to the gas station. Come out of the way now. You go hold up how much car behind you. Can you want to go to gas station? You kidding me? A good while now, me turn up here so watch this now. Are you serious? Yo! Yo! Traffic! And it rains! Hi! No. Already! Look there! Rain started too long ago. And all the flood, all the sidewalk. I don't know how I'm going to cross.